stacking coins that fly. Numbers on the screen dancing in the night. Chasing golden dreams, shining ultra bright. Yo, pump it up, make the charts go insane. Bitcoin fever running through every vein. Stack those sats, let the profits rain. Smokey Dan and the crew riding the gain train. Yeah. In the crypto forest where the secrets hum. Squirrels whisper codes where the riches come. No, mining deep tunnels through the digital haze. Building up a fortune in a pixel maze. Oh, pump it up, make the charts go insane. Bitcoin fever running through every vein. Stack those sats, let the profits rain. Smokey Dan and the crew riding the gain train.
I love it. I love it. This is it. This is it. Okay. My friends, welcome to the live stream. Smash that like button. All right. So, I don't know how to begin this live stream. I don't know where I'm going to be going with this live stream. But something is happening. Something is definitely happening. What can be done with two 580s mining wise? Antonio, 580s? I mean, what's your electrical cost? What's your electrical cost? That's like the biggest thing. XMR for life. Hey, XMR, doing great actually. XMR, really good actually. XMR's just recently, I think, went back up to $400. Is it still $400? $374. Okay, so still pretty good. Still pretty good. So, I just, you know, it's just funny how things play out. Currently, I'm still of the belief that next month. Okay, here's my whole thing. I still think next month is going to be an like the up month. Now I could be wrong, but I do truly believe that next month should be a crazy month. What do you guys think? Right now, it obviously looks bad. Everything across the board is going down. It's not just Bitcoin, but everything. Siemens. Is this a power company? Like, they make connectors and industrial stuff. Walt Disney is down 9% today, dude. Wow. Tesla's down as well. Nvidia's down. Broadcom's down. TSMC is dead. Dude, everything's dead. Dude, this is... But what's up, actually? What's cattle? What's CATL? I've never heard of this. China. Okay. Alibaba's up. Cisco's up. Chevron. Gas. Gas is going up. Exxon's going up. Alright. Salu 9573. I wish I never found crypto. That's... You know what's been brutal this time around? Even the past couple of years. You know what's... I think the hard thing is for a lot of us, we all hope for that 5x or 10x or 100x. And with Bitcoin, it's been this like slow grind up. Right? It's been this slow grind up. It's not like... Unless you got real lucky and you had, you know, tons of Zcash, you'd be out, right? You'd be done. You'd be super happy. But with Bitcoin, it's like Bitcoin has been going up since 2022, October 2022. Bitcoin has done amazing. It's just been gradually going up. But us crypto miners, most of us crypto miners have been doing, you know, the whole mine and hodl thing, especially for GPU miners. I guess the majority of the community here is GPU mining. And sure, we've seen spurts of random coins. I don't know, unless you if you timed it right and you mine certain coins at the right time, like Caspa, Alephium. You know, when Alephium went to $4, now Alephium is... Let's check out Alephium. Alephium is 12 cents now. Dude, Alephium hit up all-time high. Alephium was 386, but we've been... It's been brutal. it's been quite brutal for all of us that have been, you know, mining in the altcoins. And I say the altcoins, and I'm hoping that next month we could all be vindicated that for everyone that's been mining and holding some of these coins that have gone down 97%. I have like a million or 2 million Neoxa. It's down 97% now. My Dynex is down. Whatever. This is my 8x6600 XT rigs that I mined. These coins, they're all... It's just been a downward trend for the past couple of years. Lukewarm. Good morning, sir. 78 people here. 18 likes. Just smash the like, bros. I didn't make a video today. I was busy all day yesterday, out with friends. I touched grass. I just didn't bother to make a video because there's really nothing. Actually, I do have a lot of videos to make. I didn't have the mental capacity to do it. Lukewarm. Not gonna lie, when we do consults with pro forma plans, I always do BTC at 100 and BTC at 75k. There's a good chance it tanks like it did in March. Russia is stating they want to square up right now. And Lukewarm, you know, Bitcoin mining has been like over the past year, like Bitcoin mining has been... I remember when Bitcoin was like, when we were at like 66k back in 2024. Heck, even when Bitcoin was 82 back in January, February, March of 2025. I remember we were like, man, Bitcoin ASICs aren't making jack right now. And now, even though Bitcoin's 100k, you know, a typical S21 XP is like at $6 a day right now, at 7 cents if you had 7 cents, 8 cents, 528 if you had 10 cents, you know, it's 353. So it's like, you know, if Bitcoin goes back down to, you know, 75K, then you're gonna see these miners. You're gonna see like S19XP, S19, S21, S19K Pros not be good. You know, S19K Pro at 10 cents is losing. Okay, so that's 8 cents. S19K Pro is making 25 cents. So that's where we are at 100K Bitcoin. Yeah, that's getting rough. That's getting... Anyone that's hosted at 8 cents, that is. Anyone that's hosted... Anyone that has cheap electric, 4 cents, 5 cents, they're still making a couple bucks. They're still making a couple bucks on the S19K Pro. So it's not... They're not dead in the water currently, but... If Bitcoin goes to 75K, this is what you're going to see. Because, you know, majority of the network are still S19s series. Majority of the network, still S19 series. Bitcoin over 1.1 zettahash now. Oh yeah, if you see Bitcoin go down to 75K, you're gonna see like, I'm gonna say like 25% of the network drop off, maybe 20%. It's gonna be a bloodbath. It's gonna be a bloodbath for sure. Joker Miner, thank you for the 18 months. Answer my DMs, RPM. Joker Miner. You can't do that. You can't just force me to answer your DMs. I'll check it out after the stream. Swamp 7, RedPandaMining. Wait, are we not friends? Swamp 7. What kind of friend are you talking about? Like friends? Like IRL friends, or you know, friends on Discord, friends on Facebook? A friends with like some type of benefit? You tell me. Swamp 7. Dan Bulmer, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Dan Bulmer, Mr. Dan Bulmer. A very famous person in our live chat right now, Mr. Dan Bulmer. Mr. Techman, thank you for the 67 months. RPM is a busy man. Happy early weekend, peeps. Techman, happy early weekend. Tomorrow's Friday. Can't wait. My S19s are all off at the moment. Northern Crypto and Tech. I mean, hash rate did dip here. The hash rate for Bitcoin did dip a good amount over the past week or two. Lukewarm Mining, thank God they are self-mining at 2 cents. Yeah, at 2 cents, you can mine with anything and you'll be profitable. 2 cents, S19K Pro, $4 a day. Dude, S19s even, S19... J Pros, $3 a day at 2 cents per kilo. Anyone that has and is mining at 2 cents, which there are big, massive players out there that are mining at that scale. They're just banking it, man. They're just banking it. Let's see. C Miner Bros stole my $3 months ago. Don't buy from them. Please help me get my money back. Joss2120495. Joss2120495. Email me, good sir. contact@redpandamining.com with your order number and the email communication you have had with Crypto Miner Bros. You email me right now what happened, and I can communicate with Crypto Miner Bros for you. You tell me what happened, and I will seek to get your money back. All right, I've helped many people. I've helped many people actually. Not with Crypto Miner Bros. I've had people who lost money with a bunch of other resellers, and I've been able to help them get their money back because I've basically threatened. I was like, hey, I'll call you out on all my socials, and I will never recommend you guys ever again. I've threatened a lot of resellers to pay people back. If they didn't pay people back, they were gonna get wrecked. I was gonna wreck them. So you email me, Joss2120495. If you've been screwed, you tell me what happened. I'll make sure. Friends with bathwater benefits. Friends with benefits. Gave me a Smoky Dan. Mad Electron Engineering. This just became awkward. RPM, what's your thoughts on Caspa? Yusuf puts, Panda, you sold your Z15 Pro. Yes. And I'm mining to the gentleman right now as we speak. Best DDR5 RAM last night, $500. Dude, DDR RAM is extremely expensive. Extremely expensive right now. Hey, RPM, is CPU mining a lot better than GPU mining in this situation? Currently, yes. Currently, if you have higher end CPUs, anything above 3900X, I mean, even below. I have 3900Xs mining right now. Only a couple of them, but they're in the profit range. Nothing crazy. 20 to 28 cents after my 8 cents electric. So they are profitable. I have a 3900X. I have majority 3900Xs. I have a bunch of 5950Xs. I should really get those going, but they're on all my AI rigs currently. So CPU mining is decent right now. GPU mining is it's actually decent. It's nothing. We're not making $1 a day. Okay, granted, but at my 8 cents electric, I'm still profitable. Are you guys profitable? Well, that's going to be depending on your GPUs and your efficiency and your electrical rate. Can you 619 Oda? Can you get my money back from Nibra? 4 years, 9 months, and still waiting. 619 Oda. Who did you buy that from? You tell me. You tell me who that. You tell me the reseller. Those who are fully self-funded and self-producing companies typically, and they exist. They are gigawatt scale farms running in the U.S. Lukewarm Miner. Yeah. Oh, dude. Yeah. Foundry, Mara. What are all the big mining farm, Bit Farms? There's a whole bunch, man. Dude, we're talking. Those guys are just banking it. The one farm. Okay, there's one farm. I'm not gonna. Should I say it's somewhere in Canada? They have hydro. They have their own hydro like dam facility in eastern Canada. They have 20 megawatts. They're all self-mining. They're literally printing money right now. Literally. They're able to hold majority of the Bitcoin they're mining, but at the same time, they're also selling some into USDC to pay for the, the expenses. They got employees because they have over 20 megawatts of mining, and so they're making. They booked a one-on-one call with me. They didn't want to talk about anything other than they just wanted to tell me their story. Like, here I am with like 400 amps of power, maybe combined 600 amps of power at home residentially, and this like 20 megawatt farm wanted to talk to me because they're like, Red Panda, we love you. We just want to talk with you. We love you provide content and stuff. I was like, yeah, okay. I was shocked. I was like, okay, you guys are insane. But actually, no, I helped him get into mining initially back in 2018. And that's when he started, because he's a rich person. He had billions of dollars. So he's like, I'm going to buy this S19. And then it started from there. And he grew into having his own mining farm and self-mining. And he's just at 1 cent, 2 cents, he's just printing. He's literally printing money right now. I think when I last talked to him, he had S19J Pros. He had majority S19s. And a single S19 at like 2 cents. I mean, you're making $3, after your electric. And so if you times this by like 1,000 units, or even how much is 20 megawatt? He didn't tell me the exact number, but it was in the hundreds of thousands of dollars profit per month. And it's just like Like, dude, can you just make me a room, like a little bunk, like a little tiny 100 square foot room in your mining facility, and I can just live there? Like, I legit asked him, like, can I just have a room and board in your mining farm, and like, can you like pay me a salary and I'll just live there and manage your ASICs? Like I think he's just like he's just started laughing because some of these guys, like lukewarm, like you just said, man. Some of these people out there that have the opportunity to mine at 1 to 2 cents electric and have scaled to make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Hats off to them, man. Hats off to those guys. Those guys took the risk. They put forth the money. We all know Bitcoin mining is completely centralized and industrialized. We obviously cannot compete. Okay, we obviously cannot compete against those people. Okay, people who've put forth millions, double-digit millions of dollars into buying property, having the cheap electric, having the infrastructure, buying the miners as well. Okay, that's a pretty penny up front. These people, you know, they put the money forward, and everyone's in a different financial situation in their times in their life. Everyone has a different time frame, and I know we all understand that, again, Bitcoin mining is industrialized. Everything is completely, you know, unattainable now for the home residential miner. And well, I guess the how do I say it? I'm not going to say scam or some type of slight, but the whole Bitcoin mining like mentality now for people at home is trying to decentralize the hash rate by buying smaller miners, which obviously cannot compete, you know, against a megawatt farm with S19s that have an F-ton more hash rate. But the gamble here is to get a Bitcoin block by solo mining it, and that's been the narrative these days. And if you look on Google, solo mining Bitcoin interest since the beginning of 2024, solo mining Bitcoin has been the most popular thing on Google. The interest into Bitcoin mining, solo mining Bitcoin, is at its peak. It's literally at 100% right now. So Squirrel Master says they deserve the reward they risked it for. Oh, Squirrel Master, 100%. I can't fault anyone who's scaled Bitcoin mining, you know, at a mass amount. Michael Cartwright says Marathon Granbury, Texas facility is pulling 290 megawatt. Dude, that's crazy, man. That's a lot of money. Lukewarm says 300 units in a megawatt. Okay. All right, so 300 times, let's say that S19J at 2 cents was making $3.40. That's $1,000. $1,000, you know, a day per 300 units. So if you times that by, I don't know, 20, you know, that's 20 grand. That's 20 grand a day times 30 days. Yeah. If that 20 megawatt farm is making like over 600, I'm gonna say after expenses and everything, maybe $500,000 a month. $500,000 a month. Like, dude, all right, any big investor in here, I need $5 million. There's actually a hydro dam for sale near me. I'd love to go buy that, and I'll make content. And so give me 5 million, I'll buy it, and I need a couple more million to buy more miners, and we'll go to town. Okay, anyone here? Anybody here with multi-millions of dollars they want to invest? Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm all in. I'm literally all in. The opportunity is there. Let's go. Solo mining. Lukewarm mining. Yeah, well, I actually asked him about solo mining. He's like, I didn't want to risk it. I'm like, dude, 20 megawatt, you could probably find a block at least every other day or so. Smoky Dan, depending where they are, also tax on each transaction. It's considered income. Yeah, so they obviously that's like a good I'm gonna say a good half of that's going to taxes. No, they're a corporation, so it's less than that. I think corporation tax in Canada is 22%, 25%, 22%. So it's yeah. Mining as a corporation is much better. You could raise that capital. Mind capital. Your name checks out. Mind capital. You could raise that capital. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Anyway. Yeah. It's Bitcoin's going down, bros. Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? Let's see here. I don't think so. No, I don't think this is it. I think we're still. My firm belief is December is going to be an up month. December. But who knows? Who knows? When is the U.S. government going back? And by the way, I have to leave in 20 minutes. I have a meeting with a hosting company. Bits please, 7 million. Let's do a minimum 12 million. I gotta get rid of some cash before the end of quarter. Bits please, YT. All right, let's talk. Ron Watkins, possible. Ron, yeah, it is definitely possible, man. Possible, definitely. What is the end of the world as we know it? Bitcoin going to zero. Definitely not going to zero. Cooperations, what machine should they use? Cooperation. The Bitcoin challenge is way better odds. Yusuf puts, have you actually have you been able to password crack any of those? Please all right, Bitcoin's 99,800 now. Here we go. We are now under $100,000 Bitcoin. The mental number, $100,000 Bitcoin. Oh man, this is resistance right here. Third time's the charm, right? That's what I learned from trading, right? Third time's the charm. If it bounces from here, we're good. If it goes below the resistance line, we're effed. We're completely effed, and we're going down to 75k. The next theoretical resistance sign. Let's how do you zoom this out? How do you go 24? No, where's the all right, it would be 75. The next one would be 75. Next resistance 75,000. All right, if we don't break, if we go below 100k or 99,000, oh, we're going back up. All right, we're over 100,000 now. Third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. This is it. This is the make or break. This is the make or break. It is November 13th. All right, we got 2-3 more weeks until the next theoretical, no, the next rate drop FOMC meeting is December 1st. Learn how to read a chart. CJ Crypto, I'm literally joking. I am not a trader. I don't read charts. I was just joking. I have absolutely no idea what I was talking about. I was just totally joking. Please don't. Please don't take what I just said seriously. Please. It was a fun ride. Ninja Kid. Bitcoin fear and greed index is 25. Bro, this is... If this is not the, indication of a buying opportunity, I don't know what is. But if it keeps going down, I mean, It could, right? It did go down before. Fear and greed index at 79,000 Bitcoin was 21. If it goes down even more, bro, that would be. I mean, that would be the time. That like this is like the inflection point right here. Like this is it. Like maybe it could go down more, right? Down to 21, but then that's like the bottom of the bottom. Like we bottomed, and then boom, it's gonna go. I don't know. We'll see. KDA thoughts with the fork price going up. Joker miner. I was like, wait a sec. How come Cadena went up like a couple 100%? It actually didn't. It did go up. Cadena did go up from 0.006 up to 0.4 cents. So it did, in theory, it did have a pretty big jump up. But if you zoom out, it's actually still down. You know, really down. So yeah, I mean, is it gonna keep going? I don't think so. How is your KDA doing? Did you sold your bag yet? Fully electric. I think I have 4,600 Cadena. It's worth $198. Like literally just like back in December of 2024, it was worth like, I remember looking at it, it was worth like 6K. At like $1.83, it was like 6 grand. So brutal. So very brutal. So I held that to 0. Anyway, lukewarm. I am now a trader. I called Zcash top by accident. I just drew crayons. Zcash 473. Let's see here. Okay, my gut feeling. I'm gonna say Zcash hasn't topped yet. That's just my gut feeling. I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong, but my gut feeling tells me Zcash has not topped yet, which is I think 700. All-time low, all-time high, October 2016. No, okay. What's the previous high? Previous high, 736. 736. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Steve O Crypto, RedPandaMining. We are now in a downtober due to everyone getting ready for taxes next year. Steve O Crypto, Steve O Crypto, you're not wrong, but I think I think corporations are getting ready for their quarterly tax. They're getting ready for the quarterly tax payment coming up because I pay quarterly taxes because I'm doing that as well. Corporate, I have to pay that on the 15th of December. And that's going to be about 4 weeks away for me. So I got 4 weeks to either believe that crypto is going to go up in the next month or Bitcoin's going to go down to 75K and I'm going to have to sell at 75 or lower in order to pay my taxes. So yeah. I'm just going to, knowing my luck, right? Crypto, everything is going to be down for next month. And by the time tax time comes, I'm going to have to pay, and I'm going to have a capital loss. And it's just going to be, again, another downward diminishing return. It's just gonna get worse. It's just gonna be worse and worse. DJ, welcome to the stream, man. We got 136 people here, 42 likes. Smash the like, bros. So, what's everyone? Oops! I literally closed this. Dang it! I need that. Oh no, I need my live stream thing. Close it. What's everyone feeling? What's everyone feeling right now? I think. What's everyone feeling? How's everyone doing right now? Are you guys Are you surviving? Here, let me start a poll. Are you surviving? Still investing? Sir, trying to survive. Still investing because I make money. There you go. Here we go. Stevo Crypto, it's better to capitalize on your losses at the end of the year. You're right, Stevo Crypto. You're not wrong. You're completely right, Stevo Crypto. Yeah, the whole like tax loss harvesting thing. It's definitely a thing if you play it right. If you strategize your taxes. Yeah, of course. Mr. Jeffkey, is that you? Mr. Jeffkey. Hello, man. Mr. Jeffkey from Flux. Are you... How's Flux doing, good sir? Mr. Jeffkey, long time no see, man. How are you? Mine out of spite. I can afford food. Jaylee. Dude, more analytical. Dude, survival is all I'm doing. That's honestly, that's where I'm at too, man. I'm with you. More analytical. That's literally why I titled the stream. Haha. Like I'm just at this point, all I can do is laugh. I don't know about you guys. But at this point, all I can do is just laugh. Okay. You know, it's like that, you know, coping mechanism. You know, all I can do right now is laugh. Our altcoin bags are down 90%. Crypto mining is dead. ASIC mining is also coming down. It's like not profitable. It's not becoming profitable that much anymore. Everything across the board is going down. We're all trying to survive. Taxes is coming up. What more do you want? What like all I can do is just laugh. All I can do is just laugh. I don't know about you guys. Like it's just hilarious what's happening. You know, everything that we've done over the past couple of years has just been this diminishing return when it's like, okay, you see our portfolios go down 60 to 90% on some coins, and it's just like all I can do is just laugh. The true laugh of despair right there. The literal true laughing of despair. So 64% of you say trying to survive. 36% of you still are saying still investing because I make money. Well, there you go. Stevo Crypto, I'm buying a truckload of panels for my harvesting this year. Stevo Crypto, dude, you're so lucky, man. You got a massive amount of solar. That's honestly the best. Poverty Bets, what do you think about Kwai SOAP program? Merge mining with other tokens, selling them, and market buying Kwai with the funds. Poverty Bets, that's literally what Cubic is doing, right? Or that's literally what Cubic is or was trying to do. Now it's going back down. 619 Oda, it's like a movie casino. Kwai, I haven't seen Kwai for a while. Is Kwai? I mean, everything's down. It's not just Kwai, so. Flux is fine as far as I know. Jeff Key. Nice, man. Okay, Flux, dude. I mean, Flux must be down too. Flux, everything's down. Everything's down. Yeah, Flux is down. Flux had a little bit of a. Flux had a little bit of a pump here. Little bit. Yeah, it went up 100%, more than that, but now it's coming back down. More analytical. Let's see here. Gotta drop 10K for my kid's school on January 1st. So my investing is dead right now. More 10 grand? Oh, dude, that's a lot. I'm assuming this is a private school. Must be a private school. Mind Capital, don't look at your retirement accounts. Hey, bloodbath. Oof. Yeah. Yeah, I was reading something about what M2 money supply continues to grow, but risk on assets are bleeding. And that's the indicator of like really hardcore recession, full on recession coming up here. I don't know how true that is. I don't want to believe it, but if that's the case, next year might be, dude, 2026, man. I want everyone here, and I already talked about this in a video I did a day or two ago. I'm literally trying to build the safety net right now, like USDC. You know, you gotta have. You guys gotta make sure you have a safety net, because if things really, you know, really shit the bed, then you guys gotta make sure you have money. you gotta make sure you have money. More analytical, not a private school. It's an ABA therapy for my autistic son. Really sucks how expensive it is. Oh, more analytical. Oh, I'm sorry, man. I know one of my best buddies actually is doing the exact same thing you're doing. And yeah, it's not cheap up here in Canada. I think he's paying like 2,000 a month for like, he's paying 2,000 a month for speech therapy and, you know, a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, it's not easy. Yeah, my heart goes out. My heart goes out to you, man. I know that's not easy. Mine some 10. Hello, man. Mine some 10. RedPandaMining. The fallout will be biblical. Absolutely no one wants to buy US debt. Mine some 10. Don't say that. Mine some 10. Don't say that. We don't. When you throw in the term biblical, you know that's when stuff really shits the bed. Please, mine some 10, please. Okay, at least there. Mine some 10. Prediction though. Do you think December is our last like hurrah? Do you think December is our last up, and then next year is just straight up bear market? Or what? Or I want your opinion. It's time for a major reset. Stable coins for the win. Not always. So I think stable coins, there might be some major fallout thing. I think it might happen with stablecoin. I don't know about you guys, but I was reading something about there was some liquidation. Okay, so stablecoins have massive ties to like literally a lot of the coins on the network. Solana, Ethereum, you name it. Tether is like the majority of the transactions and money is now really going into the USDT. But once people start cashing that out, I don't know if Tether shouldn't crash, but I mean it has flash crashed before at certain points. I don't know why, or has. There was I was reading. I need to find that. I don't know exactly what he was talking about, but yeah, there was something happening with potentially with USDT. Nothing is safe, to be honest. I personally, I think nothing is safe if things start to go down further. You know. DJ says clearance. I'd like to see ASIC companies charge reasonable price for their ASICs, not a 3-year break even. DJ, I'm with you. I'm with you on that. I think ASIC prices got to come down now. I mean, now that the market is coming down here, yeah, they have to. Yeah, they have to. Fully electric, you got to be in USDC, not USDT, not perfect. Yeah, fully electric. I am in USDC, yes, not USDT. Yeah. I do not trust Tron. I do not trust USDT Tron in any way. Jeffkey says USDC isn't safe. USDT isn't safe. Okay. BTC all the way. True. Honestly, I don't trust anything. I don't trust anything anymore. Yeah, except for Bitcoin. Bitcoin forever. Mine some 10. I could see a rally in the cards, but we are in a debt loop we cannot escape. Government is feckless and incapable of doing what needs to be done. Mine some 10. You are exactly right. So this is where I feel, like I said, having a safety net. You know, everyone look at your life right now. Look at your risk portfolio. Look at, you know, everyone just make sure your risks aren't gonna drown you if next year is going to be a really bad year. And I'm not trying to be pessimistic about it. I'm just trying to be real, because I know that this has happened before to a lot of people. And if you don't have money on the sidelines for a rainy day, a safety net, it's going to be rough. So try not to have, 100% all in, altcoins, or 100% all in, Bitcoin even. Make sure you got cash on the sidelines, because the way things are going, and I hope it gets better. I want it to get better, but I'm just saying, you need to take some risk off the table. Make sure you have some cash. You got to make sure you have some cash on the sidelines. Okay. That's all I'm saying. There's nothing wrong with having, some money on the sidelines just in case something happens. And I'm not trying to be pessimistic about it. I'm trying to be more like, look, 66% of you are just trying to survive. That's literally what's happening in our economy. I'm seeing friends being laid off left, right, and center. I just got another buddy who just got laid off last week. IRL friend, and you see it all around you. You see the homeless all around. Like, I drive into the city. I normally don't see homeless, and now I see 20 homeless people in this area. Like, I've never seen that before, and it's just like you see it. Some of these people I look at, I'm like this one dude was wearing a suit. I'm like, what the heck? It was probably just like he's just trying. Maybe he just bought it off like Value Village or something for cheap. But like, why is this guy wearing a suit? He's living under an umbrella. Jeffkey says Canada's economy is trashed. It's bad. Oh, it's real bad. You see it everywhere. You see it everywhere for sure. RPM, how long does it take for Pleb Source to ship out stuff? I'm dying to start solo mining. Bleach 500. It should be right away. If you have an issue, email me and I will contact them. Email me your order number. I can contact them. Mind Capital. I love it. Mind Capital says, scared money doesn't make money. Gotta stay risky. I'm all for that. Mind Capital. Trust me. I've done that. I've done that the past couple of years. And let me tell you, it's been a negative venture. That's for sure. Trust me, I'm a very risky person especially when it comes to mining. Dude, I'm very risky, but majority I've basically lost. There's my laugh of despair. But I expressed this already in a video. All I'm doing right now is whatever is profitable. I've been mining into USDC, and that's just I'm holding enough. I'm holding enough. I'm not holding anymore. I'm basically gathering cash at the moment, because when things really, really shit the bed, you're gonna be glad that you have a little, you know, you gotta have a safety net. Okay, everyone's everyone's financial situation is different. I'm not telling you guys to do that. If you don't want to hold cash and you just want to be all in assets, risk on assets, go for it. I'm just saying, you know. I'm just saying, you know, it's just good to have a safety net. Build a safety net enough that you are happy with and comfortable with, and you have a solid job, and you know you're not going to get laid off tomorrow. Again, everyone's financial situation is different, so just make sure everyone's got that safety net. Because I have seen too many people just all in 100%, you know, into an investment, and they lose it all, and they got divorced, or they lost their job, or something came up, bill came up, property taxes came up, unheard of health issue came up, and they got to pay a massive, you know, hospital bill. Like all these things. It's just I'm just generally saying I hope everyone here has some type of safety net. That's all I'm saying. I'm not telling everyone, you know, you have to do that, but I'm just saying, you know, if your life is great, you got a great job, you're making more money than you can afford to lose, and you're investing, that's great. You don't need a safety net. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm not saying everyone is, you know, should need that, but I'm just saying, you know, generally, I'm just speaking in general. Fully electric. Since the start of this year, Amazon laid off 12,000 plus. Yeah, dude, crazy. My company laid off over 1,200. So companies drop people. Oh, there's companies I know who I thought would never lay off people, and they've laid off people. Yeah. Backwards Miner, what's up, man? I'm still working, mainly doing military contracts, making parts for ships and subs. Dude, that's sick. Being smart about everything and keep learning new things for different types of work. Backwards Miner, dude, that's awesome. Yeah, see, dude, you're in a good spot. I like that. That's awesome. Jay Fuentes, 89. I just ordered Avalon Q. Oh, hold on. What time is it? Oh my goodness, I'm missing my meeting. I gotta go, guys. I gotta go. I totally forgot. I gotta go to my meeting. You guys have a great day. Goodbye. I totally forgot. I got a meeting. You guys have a good one. Goodbye. Smash that like on the way out. Peace out. Appreciate you all. I'm sorry.